Do you want a fast way to access accessibility feature on your Watch 6 with just a double press of the home button? With a double press accessibility shortcut, you can launch important features like color inversion, color filter, color correction, mute all sound, and more instantly from any screen. To do so, open Wearable app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tap Watch Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Accessibility, tap Advanced Setting. Next, tap double press. Here you will see 6 functions: accessibility, talkback, color correction, color inversion, color filter, and mute all sound. For a practical example, assign color inversion to the double press shortcut. Then tap OK to confirm your selection. To see how it works, double press the home button on your Galaxy Watch 6. As you can see, the screen colors invert instantly. You can also assign mute all sound so you can quickly silence your watch without opening menus. As a note, you can also use a triple tap with 2 fingers to access the same accessibility function. With this double press shortcut, your Watch 6 put accessibility feature right at your fingertip. It's simple, quick, and easy to use without digging through menus. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.